Good morning. My name is David Fortenberry. I am the physician practicing at the CVR location in Dothan, Alabama.
Tell us a little bit about your professional experience.
I attended medical school at Louisiana State University in New Orleans, Louisiana, 1982 to 1986. I then entered a general surgery residency at the University of Colorado. At that point, I took a vascular fellowship at Leahy Clinic in Burlington, Massachusetts from 1991 to 1992. At that point in time, I had previously accepted a position as a general surgeon and vascular surgeon in Spell, Montana, which is in Northwest Montana, where I practiced from 1992 until April of this year, 2023. I looked at the CVR website, and I was aware of CVR due to friendships, and that led me to making an application for the Dothan position.
Why did you choose vein care as your specialty?
Well, it's been an evolution of sorts. It's developed over time. When I began practice, I was concentrating on vascular surgery, but also providing general surgery and trauma care. As the years went by, there were substantial developments and advancements in vein care, which I was aware of and started to participate in those advances in our office as part of my vascular surgery and general surgery practice. And I found that the experience of providing the vein care usually was my favorite part of the work week. And as time went on, more and more of my clinical practice began to shift to that venue.
What was it about CVR that you thought was compelling?
Well, I think the CVR, first I became aware of CVR, not so much through the website, but by knowing people who worked for CVR. And in sharing information with me, it became apparent that central values of CVR rest upon patient care and what is most appropriate for an individual patient. And that resonated very well with me because not all medical organizations are quite that way. Leading experts in vein care in the United States, many of them, perhaps the majority of them, are actually working within the context of CVR. And that to me is a great testimony to the quality of the CVR organization.
What is your philosophy of patient care?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, I think it should be patient-centered. I don't think that patients should be viewed as an avenue to accomplish other goals. I think that patient care should involve a relationship, and that's the foundation of therapy, is the relationship between the providers and the patient in a bond of trust. And through that bond, we move ahead towards identifying conditions and performing treatments to their benefit.